In this video,
we will learn how to create crew in GTA 5 online. In Grand Theft Auto 5, in order to create a crew for your GTA 5 game, all you need to do is firstly open up your browser. From here, you need to type in Social Club Rockstar, then hit enter. After that, a Social Club link will appear in front of you. Just left click on it. Now after the website opens, you need to make sure that you are logged into your account that you use to play Grand Theft Auto Online. After that, you need to head to the crew section. From here, you can easily create a new crew by clicking on create a crew option. From here, you can give your crew a name, a tag, a motto, and after that, finally, an emote action that you can use for the crew meetups. So right now I already have filled in the name, the tag, the motto, and finally the crew action. You can also customize the ranking method of your crew by changing the name. So instead of thug, you can give it a name that you prefer or your friends enjoy in the crew ranking section. And after everything is done, you can just click on save this crew. After saving, your crew is now created and you can invite your friends into your crew. And after everybody has joined your crew, you can play the game and enjoy the game with your crew members. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.